So today was the last day of the workshop. My group kind of finished it a day earlier, and that's kind of bittersweet because I wanted more from the workshop, I have to say. But I'm also happy because I was doing it from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. So I'm kind of happy that I can now get back to my sleeping pattern and do that. But it really was bittersweet because the presenter was amazing. His name is Larry Smith. He was honestly amazing at presenting all the material that's found in the workshop, about guiding us on how to do the things in the Davis program, and how to help people who have this. So I'm so glad that I attended this workshop, and yeah, so I'm so glad that I did this. And yeah, really bittersweet, but at the end of the day, I'm also really happy that I proved to my that I proved to myself that I was able to do it, because at one point in time, like I mentioned in the first video, I have COVID. So I thought, like, with the first and second day, I thought I wasn't going to be able to go through it. But here I am. Last day, I did it. I got it. I understood what was going on. And I'm just so proud of myself. It's like I tell my students all the time that you can do it, you can do it. And today, I'm showing myself that I can also do it. So it's a really proud moment for me, I guess. And I'm so glad I did this. So yes, the Gift of Dyslexia Workshop, I would definitely recommend it if you work with students, if you have somebody who has dyslexia, if you want to help somebody who has dyslexia. This is an amazing workshop to go and attend, because you can help these people out. Of course, there are, I guess, modules after where you can go and get a certificate and a licensing to actually work with clients, and I plan on doing that. But right now, I'm just gonna settle with what I've accomplished now, because I'm just so happy, and I'm gonna get some sleep. So yeah, that's me signing off. Last day of the Gift of Dyslexia Workshop. Woohoo!